you planning to launch a rental website, either for yourself as the only property owner or as a full platform where multiple owners can list their properties, manage bookings, and communicate with guests, and you want all of this without needing to know any coding or technical setup? With WpRentals, everything is simple. You can run a single owner site or open registration for multiple owners, and the system works smoothly right out of the box. For single owner websites, the admin acts as the sole owner. No separate owner profiles are created in the setup, and you can disable registration for new owners by restricting ownership to specific usernames. These are multi-owner websites. New owners can register quickly from the front end using the simple register login model and social login if they wish. Once registered, they get access to an intuitive dashboard designed to keep everything organized and easy to manage. Owners manage their profile information directly from the dashboard. They can update contact information, write a personal description, upload a profile image, and fill in contact details. SMS verification via Twilio platform is optional but also possible, or the admin can manually review and mark owners as verified based on the private document owners can attach, ensuring that visitors know which listings come from the trusted owners. This information is displayed professionally on the owner's public profile page. By default, WpRentals provides a clean, well-organized layout that highlights the owner's details, reviews, and listings. Very importantly, sensitive contact information like email or phone number is never visible to unregistered users or visitors who have not made a confirmed booking with that owner. This ensures privacy and security while still allowing potential guests to interact safely through the built-in contact. Whether you run a single owner or multi-owner rental website, WpRentals team makes it easy to manage listings, bookings, owners, and communication professionally. Start building your rental platform today. No coding required with WpRentals.